Good morning, guys. It is 8 a.m. and today I am going to show you guys what I eat in a day, the full day, from my breakfast till the evening. So, the first thing I do in the morning, I grab my plastic bottle and I'm going to grab my overnight oats, which I prepared the night before. And I'm going to get my inner beauty boost by the Beauty Chef. And this is like a bio-fermented probiotic elixir. And this is antioxidant and it kind of tastes like pomegranate papaya. So I'm just going to put a little bit in my bottle and I'm going to add some water. And the great thing is once I fill this up, I keep myself hydrated like the whole morning. Because the bottle is around, I actually drink a lot of water. So that's amazing. So yeah, my breakfast is prepared super quickly. I'm drinking my yummy water. I don't know what kind of face I make. Then I'm going to grab some almond butter and some vitamins. So the vitamins I take are Nutrafol, and this is actually for extra hair growth. And I noticed I had a little bit of thin hair, so I take these in the morning. And they're actually full of vitamin A and D, so they're really beneficial for your nails and for your skin as well. So I take these in the morning. It's 4 pills, so it's quite a lot. So yeah, I need a big bottle of water. Then I'm gonna show you guys actually how I make the evening before my overnight oats. It is super easy. I add some oats, I add some pecan nuts, then I'm adding some hazelnuts, my favorite. I'm adding some flaxseed. It's good for the digestion for the day. I'm adding some chia seeds, which are full of fiber. I'm just adding a couple of superfoods. I'm adding some hemp seed. Obviously, you don't have to do exactly the same. I would recommend to put chia seed in there. Then I'm using this Nutrifa hemp protein, and this one is very pure. It doesn't contain any other sugars. Then I'm going to add half or 3/4 of a banana. I normally put it in the fridge and eat it later on with a snack or in a smoothie or anything. Really put banana in there as well because that gives the sweet taste to the overnight oatmeals. Then I'm adding some cinnamon for extra spice and flavor. And I'm adding some almond milk. And that is it. So I just mix it around a little bit, and then this is what I do in the evening before, so it's super easy for the next morning. So yeah, I'm adding also some wild blueberries from Traders and Joe's. These are frozen actually. I had those in the fridge. So this is the next morning. It doesn't look so yummy, but believe me, it's really delicious. I'm just going to add a little spoon of, oh, this case a fork of pink almond butter. Of course, I'm gonna eat a little bit of almond butter because I just love it, and I spill it all over. That's really me in the morning. So yeah, this is my overnight oat bowls and keeps me full all morning and is overall very delicious. I like to sit outside, and I'm quite fortunate I have a little balcony in New York City, and I just like to sit outside, have my breakfast, relax a little bit. This is the moment I grab my phone. So around 11 a.m. I'm going to a couple of meetings, so I walk past this coffee shop and I'm going to get a matcha latte with oat milk. I drink it kind of instead of my coffee. I actually threw out my coffee machine a while ago because it's so bad for the environment in espresso. So it is lunchtime right now, and I am I'm going to prepare a nice salad. As you can see, I have a lot of big boxes, and I did my meal prep already earlier this week. I made a lot of grilled vegetables. So I'm grabbing some stuff for the dressing. And yeah, let's build this salad. First ingredient is olive oil. I have tahini and salt and pepper for the dressing. Then I have some baby arugula, of course organic. I have some quinoa. Then I have my favorite vegetable. This is a corn squash. I'm so happy fall is around the corner and all the squashes are in the store because this is absolutely my favorite one. Then I have some zucchini, a yellow and a green one. And here I have some Ithaca beet hummus. And I actually really like this brand because, as you can see, the ingredients are very pure. It doesn't have like artificial ingredients. I have some crumbled feta. I found half an avocado in my fridge. And I'm going to use olive oil. Tahini, some Himalaya pink salt and black pepper. So I am going to put a little bit of olive oil in a cup. I'm adding the tahini into that, and I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper, and that is it for the dressing. Then we're gonna go to the salad. Start of course with a lot of arugula, and I'm adding the dressing to this already. Then I am going to add quinoa. Then I'm going to add the zucchini, one of my favorite vegetables as well, and some eggplant. Then I'm adding some of the corn squash. Half an avocado. And a big spoon of beet hummus. And I'm going to add some feta. Normally I eat also a piece of chicken or tofu, another protein with this, but today I felt like eating some vegetarian. I'm adding some dressing, some pepper, and a little bit of salt. And that is my lunch for today. Doesn't that look very colorful and healthy? So normally if I have lunch at home, I really don't like to eat alone. So I take a moment and I'm just gonna call my little brother or my parents. So I eat with someone. Here I have my little brother on the phone. I kind of miss him a lot. So this way I kind of see him as well. And I have a quick lunch with him. It's 4 p.m. right now and I am gonna go to a workout, so I'm gonna eat a little snack, and this is honestly my favorite snack in the world. I always eat this when I'm traveling as well. I'm grabbing some rice crackers and I have the banana from last night. So I'm grabbing a big rice cracker. These are actually quite thick, which make you kind of full, which is really nice. And this is my favorite peanut butter in the world. This one is from North Shore Goodies, and the only ingredient is peanut and coconut, but somehow, this is like the best. So I have the banana, and I'm just gonna put the banana on top of my rice cracker. And then I have my little snack. It's nice to eat something quick before you work out to get like a little bit energy, and yeah, obviously after lunch, after a couple of hours, I'm kind of hungry again. I was actually quite sad because the customs the other day just pulled out my peanut butter out of my bag while I was traveling with it, so I was kind of sad. I'm gonna go for a quick workout. I'm gonna do Pilates today, and it's not high intensity, but it is very intense for your muscles though. So after the gym, after my shower, I'm fresh again and I'm going to prepare some food for dinner. And I'm just gonna do like an Asian stir fried with chicken for some protein and a lot of veggies. So here I have all my ingredients, as you can see. I have a red pepper, which I'm gonna cut. I have a zucchini. I always make such a mess while I'm cooking. I really need to learn it actually. There we go. I'm gonna cut the zucchini in small pieces. And I'm gonna cut some garlic for some extra flavor. The oils for the sauce. I'm gonna season the chicken a little bit with some pepper and salt. I'm gonna cut the lime, and here my veggies are ready. A little bit of avocado oil in the pan, and when this is warm, I'm going to add the chicken. And I'm also gonna cook some brown rice in the meantime. I'm going to add the garlic and the onion to that. When this is light brown, I'm adding also the vegetables to this. I'm going to add half of the lime, and I'm going to add some sesame oil and some coconut aminos. And if you're wondering what are coconut aminos, it's the healthy version of a soy sauce. It's like gluten-free, and it's much more beneficial and less salty, which is great. So all the ingredients are in the pan, and I have it on a low heat again, and it just needs to cook for a couple of minutes. So then my dinner is ready already. I just have a little bit of brown rice, and I'm going to add the chicken and veggies to that as well. Of course, to spice it up a little bit, which I really love, I'm gonna add some hot sauce. And ta-da! My dinner is ready. So yeah, just gonna sit down and have some food. I just add a little bit more veggies. As you can see, I have quite like a big portion. As long as you eat super clean, you can eat as much food as you want. So guys, this is the end of my what I eat in a day, because my last thing I'm having is a cup of tea. This is ginger turmeric, and as dessert I have a piece of chocolate. This is Lindt. It's 80%, so it's very pure. And yeah, this was the full version of what I eat in a day, full day. If you really like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Have a good night.